Hello and welcome to another Keylink video. Today we'll be making these pretty and pink popping candy Easter bars that really pop. Flavoured with raspberry and rose, these chocolate bars will make for a floral and sweet treat. First, we temper Calabar white W2 and add a few drops of Roxy enriched cocoa butter until you get your desired colour. Here we've decided to go for 30 grams of chocolate to 10 grams of fuchsia to give a nice blush pink. We added 2 drops of rose spice drops and 2 drops of raspberry, then added around 35 grams of cocoa butter coated popping candy. Mix everything together and pour into your desired choice of bar mould. We've gone for the chocolate slab mould so we can let our decorations on top run wild. For the toppings, we have chosen white chocolate blossoms, honeycomb granules, glazed rose fragments and raspberry crumble. These give a nice contrast and evoke a springtime feeling. Sprinkle the toppings onto each bar, making sure to give an even spread and leave enough room for each type of topping so they're able to sink into the chocolate. You can give the bar a little tap to help this along. We made our own little Easter buttons using Easter transfer sheets, and these are then placed on the bar and given a little tap to help them bed into the bar. If you'd like to see how we made them, check out this year's Easter egg concept video, link in the description. Leave the bar to crystallise before carefully turning out so you don't knock or break the toppings. And voila! A quick and easy Easter recipe that will be sure to wow anyone that sees and tastes it. We hope you enjoyed this video and hope you have fun with all your Easter creations. Bye!